Have you ever been playing your favorite game and then bam, a brand new character or a super cool level just shows up? It feels like magic, right? Well, what if I told you it's not magic at all, but something even cooler?
No, really, think about it. One day you're fighting the same old dragon, and the next day there's a whole new world to explore. How does that even happen? Well, that's the secret sauce that makes our favorite games keep getting more and more fun.
Okay, so let's pull back the curtain. The big, important word for all this is deployment. It sounds a little fancy, I know, but all it means is the journey that new, awesome stuff takes from the game maker's computer all the way across the internet and right onto your screen.
To make it super easy, let's just pretend the game developers are chefs in a giant busy kitchen. The new levels and characters they're coding, that's them cooking up a delicious new meal. And deployment, well, that's just the final step, the waiter bringing that amazing food from the kitchen right to your table.
But you know, a chef can't just send out a new dish without tasting it first, right? And when you're serving millions of players, you have to be 100% sure everything is perfect.
I mean, what if the chef accidentally adds way too much salt or forgets a key ingredient? In the world of games, that's what we call a bug. It could crash your whole game or make a character's face look all funny and stretched out. And let's be honest, nobody wants to play a buggy game.
So, to stop those mistakes, developers have a secret weapon, an automatic robot helper called CI/CD. The CI part is kind of like a robot taste tester. Its job is to check the code for any mistakes. And the CD part? That's the robot waiter, ready to deliver the perfect dish as soon as it's approved.
So our little robot helper has two main jobs. First, the CI part, the quality checker, taste tests the new feature for any yucky bugs. As soon as it gives a big robot thumbs up, the CD part, the delivery robot, zips that new code out to all of you.
So the robot makes sure the new stuff is perfect. But how does it actually get to you? Well, it turns out our developer chefs have three very clever ways to serve up a brand new update.
The first method is called a rolling update. Just imagine a giant tray of chocolate chip cookies. Instead of swapping the whole tray at once, you just replace the old cookies with fresh ones, a few at a time. Before you know it, the whole tray is new and the cookie party never had to stop.
Now this next one is totally like a magic trick. It's called a blue-green update. Imagine everyone is playing at the blue table, enjoying the game. Meanwhile, the chefs are secretly setting up a brand new green table right next to it with the awesome new update already. Then, poof! Everyone is instantly moved to the green table. No waiting, no glitches, just an immediate, awesome upgrade.
For our third method, we have to go way, way back in time. A long time ago, coal miners would bring a little canary bird down into the mines with them. You see, canaries are really sensitive to bad air. If the little bird was happy and singing, the miners knew the air was safe.
And that story brings us to our super safe canary update. It works just like that little bird. It's kind of like giving just a few friends a taste test of the new recipe before you serve it to everyone at the party.
So instead of sending the update to everybody, they give it to a tiny group first, maybe only 5 out of every 100 players. Those players are the canaries. The developers watch very closely to see if everything works. If the canaries are happy, then everybody else gets the update.
And this is a real thing. If you use the Google Chrome web browser, there's actually a special version called Chrome Canary. It gets all the newest, sometimes kind of strange features first. It's how developers test them out before the rest of us get them. So cool, right?
So, you might be wondering, how do these developers manage all of this? They don't do it all by hand, that's for sure. They use a special set of computer tools, think of it like a builder's toolbox, to make all these different updates happen automatically.
And there are different tools for different jobs. For a really quick and simple update, a developer might use something like GitHub Actions. That's kind of like moving into a new apartment where everything's already built for you. But for a huge, complicated game, they might need a tool like Jenkins. That's more like having your very own workshop where you can build anything you can imagine from scratch.
Okay, so we've talked about deployment, robot helpers, and 3 clever ways to serve an update. But why does any of this behind-the-scenes stuff matter to you, the person who's actually playing the game?
Well, it matters a lot. Because of all this careful work, you get new, fun stuff in your favorite games way faster than ever before. It also means you see way fewer annoying glitches or crashes, because that robot helper catches them first. And most importantly, it keeps all your games running safely and smoothly. So the next time a new character magically appears in your game, you'll know the incredible journey it took to get there. It makes you wonder, what's next? What if, someday, our games and apps get so smart they can test and update themselves, all on their own? Now that is something to think about.